Hey Cubbies, it's Black China Bear. We are going to get into today's video. You guys, I worked with Fabulosity hair before. I did like their knotless braided wig. I will insert that picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That wig is the bomb.com. You guys, I still have it. I still wear it. It is so freaking beautiful. Anyways, they reached out to me again. They wanted to work with me again. And so they sent me another wig. This is not a braided wig though. So this company, they do braided wigs and they also do hair, like normal hair wigs. Be sure to check out Fabulosity hair website, guys. They are always coming out with new great hairstyles. They have so many freaking braided wigs, like all the latest and greatest. They also post up on their Instagram page so you can see what's coming out as it's coming out, in case you want to be the first to get your hands on it. And they're always pumping discount codes for you guys. I believe my discount code is Blackbeard, and this wig is like beyond what I normally do on my channel. It's a completely different style. You guys know I don't do short hair. This is short, but it's not like a pixie cut short. Let me just show you. So I got my wig. It came really fast. I was like surprised when it showed up. I'm like, what is this? You know, like wow. But in the package she sent a gift, which is this a beautiful scarf. Well, this is really cute. It actually matches my sweater. Oh, you can tie your hair down with this. Is cute. And it's double paneled. Okay, anyways, but yeah, this is this scarf with the wig. So she is called Rosy Curls. So you get her in a hairnet. The curls, you see them already through the net, you guys. They're so gorgeous. Can you see those curls? Look how thick and luscious they are. And this is a bang unit. I haven't even tried it on yet. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. The construction of this cap is amazing, you guys. It feels so sturdy. So you have combs, adjustable straps at the back, and these wigs come with an elastic band already inside for you. What I love about a banded unit is that you don't have to glue it down if you want to. You can just slide it on, and that's also a benefit of having bangs. Like you can just slap this wig on and go. So this is one of those throw and go kind of wigs. This wig is 8 inches long. She is pure human hair. She's double drawn. But she fits really good, you guys. So this is how she looks straight out the pack before I fluff her up. This one has like that circle closure on top here. This hair is so soft, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. And guys, when you wash this wig, the curls do come back into it. I already talked to the owner about it. There are a couple of strands under here that are straight. I think I'm going to have to cut those out. For right now, I'm just going to tuck them under the cap.
We were chilling, getting out. Stand up, I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would come back. Without you, I miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind.
this wig is from Fabulosity Hair. I will put the link for it down below with all applicable discount codes. It is so beautiful, so big, fluffy, and curly, and it's big head friendly. It is so comfortable. It feels like it's not going anywhere. I am absolutely in love with this unit. It is so freaking cute. I am all for some curl. Look at this, guys. It got body. It's got body, sis. This is definitely some big hair. Like, you know, if you're not a big hair fan, you might not like this wig, but this is cute. It's giving me so much 70s vibe. That's why I had to do the whole, you know, 70s thing. But yeah, I will link this wig down below in the description bar. If you have any questions I did not answer, leave a question down below. I will get back to you. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah.
What are you really saying?